Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Supriyani MPD, dosen tetap STKIP Al-Amin Indramayu di Prodi Bahasa Inggris. Dan untuk saat ini saya mengajar mata kuliah Speaking One yang memiliki bobot 2 SKS, dan Speaking One sendiri itu sesuai dengan bidang saya. Dan dalam hal ini saya akan menjelaskan teknik pengajaran yang dinamakan DIA, yaitu Delivery, Interaction, and Assessment. In delivery, penyampaian materi diambil dari beberapa referensi dalam bentuk buku ataupun internet. Untuk buku sendiri, saya mengambil buku dari Jack C. Richard, with Jonathan Hall and Susan Proctor. Kemudian yang kedua, saya ambil dari case study. Di sini kegiatannya adalah mahasiswa membuat video-video yang sesuai dengan topik yang diberikan. Kemudian untuk interaction. Di interaction dalam kelas saya menggunakan interaksi dua arah. Dan untuk interaksi sendiri, saya menggunakan Google Classroom, kemudian kami memiliki WhatsApp group, sehingga memudahkan kami, saya dan para mahasiswa untuk berkomunikasi kapanpun, dan mahasiswa bebas untuk bertanya, apabila mereka memiliki kesulitan-kesulitan. Kemudian untuk assessment, penilaian diberikan dalam bentuk kehadiran, tugas, UTS, dan UAS. Di sini untuk kehadiran penting sekali bagi saya, jadi saya memberikan 30%, kemudian untuk tugas 20%, untuk UTS 20%, dan untuk UAS 30%. Untuk tugas-tugas, saya memberikan variasi, yaitu memberikan kuis yang diambil dari Quizizz, gitu ya. Kemudian juga membuat dialog di Google Classroom biasanya, di uploadnya. Kemudian untuk speaking test atau oral test, biasanya face to face, dan juga menggunakan WhatsApp yang berupa voice record. Ya, kemudian di sini berikutnya saya akan menjelaskan deskripsi mata kuliah dan kemampuan yang diharapkan dalam mode pembelajaran. Speaking. Untuk speaking, saya berikan dalam dua macam, yaitu berupa teori dan praktek. Namun di sini saya memberikan banyak prakteknya, sehingga mereka berani untuk berbicara dengan rekan-rekannya dan berani mengemukakan pendapat. Speaking sendiri menurut saya itu sangatlah penting, karena mahasiswa kebanyakan takut untuk berbicara bahasa Inggris, takut membuat kesalahan, mereka takut salah grammarnya dan sebagainya. Maka saya tekankan bahwa mahasiswa tidak perlu takut salah untuk berbicara bahasa Inggris, tidak perlu memikirkan grammar ketika mereka berkomunikasi bahasa Inggris. Kemudian untuk materi pembelajaran speaking, saya berikan untuk semester ini, semester ganjil ini adalah yang pertama greeting and introduction, kemudian how do you spend your day, ini menceritakan tentang daily routines atau aktivitas sehari-hari. Kemudian how much is it, ini diharapkan siswa mampu dalam hal membeli sesuatu, dalam bahasa Inggris. Kemudian yang keempat adalah do you like jazz? Di sini materinya tentang likes and dislike, ya. Tapi saya ambil tentang musiknya. Kemudian yang kelima adalah tell me about your family. Dan berikutnya how often do you exercise? Itu yang keenam. Ini juga masih tentang sebenarnya daily routine juga, tapi penekanannya pada exercise-nya. Dan yang terakhir adalah we had a great time. Ini menceritakan tentang kegiatan yang telah dilakukan. Kemudian untuk sistem pembelajarannya sendiri, saya menggunakan blended learning di sini ya. Metode yang saya gunakan adalah CLT, Communicative Language Teaching, yang menekankan pada interaksi sebagai sarana dan tujuan akhir pembelajaran. Kemudian untuk interaksi, dalam menjaga interaksi dengan antara dosen dan mahasiswa, WhatsApp group digunakan untuk speaking practice dan juga tes lisan yang saya sudah sebutkan tadi berupa voice record dan juga video calls. Selain WhatsApp, Google Classroom, Zoom, serta Google Meet juga digunakan untuk berinteraksi antara dosen dan mahasiswa. Dan diharapkan hasil dari pembelajaran berupa video diunggah di Instagram. Maksud saya hasil dari pembelajaran berupa video diunggah di Instagram. Dan untuk pemberian nilai dari hasil belajar itu berupa tadi tugas UTS, UAS, serta kehadiran. Dalam mengecek tugas-tugas, mereka bisa melihat skor ya hasil kerja mereka di Google Classroom. Kemudian saya juga memberikan beberapa komen dan mengoreksi apabila ada kesalahan, dan mereka bisa mengetahui kesalahannya di mana. Oke. Dan berikut ini mari kita sama-sama lihat ada pembelajaran dalam pertemuan pertama via media Zoom. Ya. Okay. Good afternoon. Open your mic, please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay. I would like to say thank you very much for joining the class. Yeah. And by the way, have you known each other? Have you known each other? You are in semester 1 this time. By the way, do you have you known each other, or do you know each other? Sudah saling kenal? Oh yes.
Not yet, Miss.
Oh, not yet. Okay. Yeah. So you can try to what is that? Try to know your friends well. Yeah. Don't call hey, but you have to call name. Yeah. To make a good conversation. Yes. Okay. To know your friends well. So what should you do then? I see the name here, yeah, Fristi, and then Feby. Okay, so what should you do to know your friend, Fristi?
Introduce first.
Oh, okay. Well, introduce. In introducing, what will you mention? In introducing or in introduction, what will you mention?
Name.
Names, good. And then?
Our nickname.
Okay.
Place.
Sorry?
Class.
Okay. The class.
And where do you come from?
Oh, I
Like
see.
this.
Okay, about the place where you are from. Yeah, okay. So, before I try to share the material, the slide to you, here, I would like you to say hello, yeah, Pristi, to Alifa.
Alifa, my name is Jintan Darin.
Hi, Alifa. Would you like to respond, Pristi, please? Okay, Pristi,
Hello.
could you please repeat? Wait, could you please repeat, Pristi?
Okay. Hello, Alifa. My name is Pristi Jintan Darin. You can call me Pristi.
Oh, good. And then?
Hello, Pristi.
Okay.
My name is Alifa. You can call me Alifa.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So by saying name and then you know each other who you are, but it is only name. You didn't ask about, like Fristi said, where you are from, like that. Yeah. Okay. So how about, okay, here I see Dimas. Hello, Dimas.
Hello, Miss.
Okay. Well, I would like you to introduce to me, please.
And first, my name is Dimas Widianto. I'm 20 years old and I live in Kesambi.
Okay.
My address is Dr. Sutomo Street, Block D, number 14.
Oh, okay.
My hobby is swimming and playing game.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you too. It's really complete address, yeah. If you want to send letter to Dimas, already been complete. Yeah, the address is already become complete. So it's very easy. What about your? Okay, wait. I admit your friend. Okay, I'll be waiting for coming first. If I present the material and then you haven't come, you haven't joined, and it's very difficult for me. Ya, jadi saya agak menunggu sedikit nih untuk yang lain untuk di admit karena kalau sudah presentasi it is a bit difficult. Yeah, it is a bit difficult for me. Okay, if you the first time, Alifa, you meet Lela, for example, but you don't know each other. Yeah, you don't know each other. So what will you say, Alifa? You have just met in campus, yeah? Baru ketemu. You just met in campus. So what will you say to Lela, ya? To Lela.
Hello.
Hello.
Let me introduce myself.
Okay.
My name is Alexander Alia. You can call me Alifa.
What is your response, Lela? What is your response, Lela?
Hello, Alifa. My name is Lela. Call me Lela. In Magugede, Cirebon.
Oh, okay. You still shy to say something, yeah? Okay. I'm trying to share you my slide. Yeah. Okay. So let's speak English. Yeah, let's speak English for all of you, or maybe for all of us here. Well, asking for address. Dimas already give us a very complete address. Yeah. Well, here there is a conversation between Benny and Sarah. Yeah, asking for address. Benny, hi Sarah. Hi Benny. Where do you live? I live in Bandung. How about you? Nice. I also live in Bandung. In which district are you in? I'm in Cimahi, West Bandung. That's far enough from mine. I live in North Bandung, Dago. Oh, I see. I have a friend who lives in Dago and studies in Bandung Institute of Technology. Nice. Okay, Sarah. It's pleasure to talk to you. It's pleasure to talk to you too. Bye. Goodbye. Okay. Well, guys, do you find any difficult words from this conversation between Benny and Sarah? Any difficult words, please? Okay, no problem.
No problem, Miss.
No problem. Yeah. Well, I will be here. I would like to be as a model. Yeah. I would like to be Sarah. Yeah. And then Dimas, you will be Benny. You can try to say or start the conversation, please. Can you see the slide, Dimas? Can you see the slide?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Please be Benny. I'll be Sarah.
Okay. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Benny.
Where do you live?
I live in Bandung. How about you?
Nice. I also live in Bandung. In which district are you in?
I'm in Cimahi, West Bandung.
That's far enough for mine. I live in North Bandung, Dago.
Oh, I see. I have a friend who lives in Dago and studies in Bandung Institute of Technology.
Nice. Okay, Sarah. It's pleasure to talk to you.
It's pleasure to talk to you too. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you, Dimas. Yeah, and this time I would like to ask. Okay, I couldn't see the name there. What about Lela? Lela, hello. Lela, are you still there?
Yeah, Miss.
Lela will be with Fristi. Lela, you will be Benny, and Fristi will be Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Fristi, hello. Open your mic.
Fristi jadi Benny ya, Miss ya?
Yep. Sarah.
Oh, jadi Sarah. Oke.
Yeah. Lela,
Hi,
once
Sarah.
more, please.
Hi, Sarah.
You, please. Hi, Benny.
Hey.
Where do you live?
Fristi, open your mic. Where do you live?
Suara Lelanya kecil banget.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Lela, could you please speak louder? Fristi cannot hear you clearly.
Where do you live?
Yeah, Fris.
I live in Bandung. How about you?
Nice. I also live in Bandung. In which district are you in?
You,
I am in Cimahi, Bandung.
That's far enough from mine. I live in North Bandung, Dago.
Oh, I see. I have a friend who lives in Dago and studies in Bandung Institute of Technology.
Nice. Okay. Sarah, it is pleasure to talk to you.
It's pleasure to talk to you too. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, Lela, your voice is really smooth. Yeah. Okay. Well, for this time, I would like to ask Widi. Are you still there, Widi? 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 Yeah, Widi. Widi, I want you to make a conversation with I forgot the name. Sorry. who are attending my class. Okay. All right, Widi is ready. And then, Widi, please choose one of your friend to be your partner beside Fristi, Alifa, and Laila. Come on. Choose your partner. Who do you want to be?
Julia, Miss.
Julia. Okay, Julia, come on.
Hi, Sarah.
Julia, you will be Sarah. You will be Sarah and Widi will be Benny. Come on.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Benny.
Where do you live?
I live in Bandung. How about you?
Nice. I also live in Bandung. In which district are you in?
I am in Cimahi, West Bandung.
That's far enough for mine. I live in North Bandung, Dago.
Oh, I see. I have a friend who lives in Dago and study in Bandung Institute of Technology.
Nice. Okay, Sarah. It's pleasure to talk to you.
It's pleasure to talk you too.
To talk to
Bye.
you too. Bye. Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. That's about greeting and introduction. So, if you ask for someone's what is that? Someone's condition, what will you say? What will you say? Yes. Press your mic.
How are you?
How are you? Good. Beside how are you? Are there anything else beside how are you? Come on.
How about today?
Okay, let's see. Thank you. Any others? Come on. The other expression, the other question, sorry, beside how are you? What else? What else do you know? Yeah, before practicing with your own information, I would like to show you this slide. Yeah, it is about other ways. Yeah, ways to say how are you. There is a how do you do? How have you been? How is it going? Yeah, how are you is common for us. And then what is happening? What's up? What's new? Okay. These are some ways to say how are you. Well, I would like to ask you a question. Anybody knows how do you do? And what is your response if someone say how do you do? What is your response? How do you do? And then what is your response? Anybody knows? Hi, hello.
I feel good, Miss.
Oh, you feel good? Oh, I see. Okay, thank you, Dimas. What about the others? What will you respond if I say, how do you do? Yeah, Prissy, you have already opened your mic. What is your response? Nggak ada suaranya nih. Okay. Prissy has no voice. The others, please. Maybe Fatima.
I'm very well, Miss.
Oh, very well. Okay. Well, it is different from others. Yeah. If someone asks you, someone greet you, how do you do? And then the answer is, how do you do? The response is, how do you do? Yeah. So when someone say, how do you do? When? It is for the first met. I told you, if you first met. Jadi kalau Anda baru ketemu, and then your friends say, atau the one who you met say, how do you do? And then you can respond, how do you do? It is only for the first meeting, remember. And if you meet that person again, you cannot say, how do you do for the second time. You can say like, How have you been? What is happening? Like that. Okay? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. So once more, when do you say, how do you do? When? When? When is it? Hello? When do you say, how do you do?
First
When
time.
you meet someone in first time.
That's right. Very good, Dimas. When you meet someone for the first time, and then for the next, the second, the third, etc., you cannot say how do you do. It is usually like that. Yeah. Okay. And if I say, hey, Feby, hello, Feby. Okay. If I say, hello, Fristi, how are you? Hello, Fristi, how have you been? What is your response, Fris? What is your response, Fris? Fristi, how have you been?
Can you repeat this, please, Miss? Sorry.
If I say, how have you been, Fristi? What is your response?
I'm very good.
Okay, I'm very good. Yeah. Well, here there are some information about responding the greeting, like how have you been, how are you, etc. Yeah. Beside, I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. It is maybe boring for us, ya. Benar-benar membosankan deh. You can see this one. There are many expression to respond, like I'm well, I feel fine, I'm doing good, katanya, I'm doing well. I'm alive here, yeah. And then what else? Oh, I have a problem. If you are not okay, or if you say I'm doing all right, if you or you can say, oh, I'm doing okie dokie. Okay, yeah. So this one, there are some expression for formal and some are for informal. Yeah. Okay. So come back to this slide, the conversation about greeting and introduction. But I need you to use your own name. Please use your own name, use your own address. Yeah. Okay. Is it clear for me? Is it clear for you? Please make the conversation like this between Benny and Sarah, but use your own name. Use your own address. Yeah. Okay. So can I meet you who are in this class again? Yes. Okay, Dimas. Dimas, who choose one of your friend to be with your partner, to be your partner, please. Dimas, hello.
Widi, Miss.
Widi. Beside Widi, is there any others? Come on. Beside Widi.
Siapa ya? Winda mungkin, Miss. Winda, Miss.
Winda. Okay, Winda. Hello, Win. Halloween. Hello, Winda. Okay. So, Winda will be with Dimas. You can use your own name and your own address. So,
With the
I
session,
think
Miss.
yes. Sorry.
With the same conversation. With the same conversation or not?
Use your own name. Yeah. Using this model, you mean? Yeah. Using this model, but you can use your own name and your address. Okay. Greet Windy, please. Windy, be ready.
Hi, Winda.
Oh, Winda, yeah, Winda, okay.
Hi, Winda.
Hi, Dimas.
Where do you live?
I come from Kuningan, but now I live in Kebawan.
Mhm.
Nice. I also live in Cirebon. In which district are you? Central.
Winda?
Central.
Winda, in what district are you, Winda?
Central Cirebon.
Win? Oh, oh, the connection is not really good. Okay.
I'm in Kedaung.
Kedaung. That's near for me. I live in Kesambi, in Central Cirebon.
I have a friend who lives in Kesambi.
Oh, nice. And Winda, it's pleasure to talk to you.
Okay. Winda? Yeah, okay. That's the problem for having an online class. I'm so sorry. So, guys, what did you learn from this? What did you get from this topic, from this class? Sorry, what did you get from this class? Okay, Prissy, maybe you want to say something? The others.
We learn introduce ourselves. We'll introduce ourselves to another person.
Oh, I see. Okay. And you have also some new expression in saying, how are you? Yeah. So from now you can try to say different way, not only how are you, but there are some ways that you have already got in this class. And also in responding in responding a greeting, yeah, there are some way, not only I'm fine, it's maybe will be boring to say I'm fine, but you can use some of this expression. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Julia. Yeah, okay. Well, for the next time, yeah, I would like you to make this video about greeting and introduction with your friends, yeah, and you will work in groups, yeah, in groups 3 or in group of 4 or group of 3. So one of you will be the interviewer and 3 or 2 of you will be the interviewees. Ya, jadi nanti Anda buat apa namanya introduction-nya in video, ya. You will work in group of 3 or in group of 4. If you are in 3, one of you is the journalist or the interviewer, ya, and 2 of you are the interviewees. 2 yang diwawancarai. If you are in group of 4, and then you will have 3 friends to be interviewed by you. Okay. Yeah. So before ending the lesson, do you have any questions, guys?
I think it's enough.
Okay, Julia, if I say, Julia, how is it going? And then what is your answer? How is it going? Okay, what is the response? Widi, maybe? Widi, how is going? How is it going, Widi? Or how is it going? Is how are you, right? And what is your response beside I'm fine?
I'm good.
I'm good. Okay. How have you been, Fristy?
Doing well, Miss.
Okay, thank you. How have you been, Julia?
I'm good, Miss.
Oh, yeah, I'm good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, I think that's it for our first meeting. Hopefully, you will get something from our first class. Yeah, our first meeting in today's class. So, thank you guys for being with me. Thank you for coming and see you next meeting. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome.